Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a really simple eye look. I guess it could be like an easy everyday glam. Yeah, I guess we can consider it that. But yeah, so if you are curious as to how to get this look, just go ahead and keep watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. I guess let's go ahead and get into it. So I went ahead and did all of my face makeup minus the highlight. I mainly want to be focusing on the eyes today, so I'm hoping this look is going to turn out really simple. It should, because I want it to be. But today we are going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Can't see it because my camera's backwards. But that's what it looks like. I've used it a couple of times in my videos, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be, I think I'm going to get just a regular fluffy blending brush. And if y'all were trying to guess it, yes, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill JH30. I don't know why I don't have the name memorized yet, but I'll get there. I already set my eyes, so we don't need to set them. But, so I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. I'm just going to take a little bit on the brush, and I'm going to start about right here because I want majority of the product on my outer corner. So we're going to start right here and just do windshield wiper motions. And then with a little bit of product left, I will be going towards the inner corner. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this dense, fluffy-ish packing brush, and I'm going to take this color right here and pack it on the outer corner of my eye. And to blend those two colors out, I'm going to be using the JH30. Yeah. For now, I'm not going to add color or product on the brush, but I might after we finish blending this part out. So I'm going to take this packing brush and add a little bit more of that darker brown that we just used, just to darken it up a little bit. And I'm going to blend it out using the JH30 once again. I think, okay, so we're still using the JH30. I'm going to go back in with the darker brown right there, take a little bit on it, and then go towards the center of my corner, or sorry, going towards the inner corner but above the crease. And I think I want to add a tiny bit more darkness to this part right here, since I ended up bringing that color in, but it's just smoked out, I guess. I'm going to be using the dense, fluffy brush. I'm going to be taking this color right here and just packing that towards my waterline on the outer corner. not done yet with the top, but I want to go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm going to take this flat flat liner brush, there we go, from Morphe. I will, like in every single video, I'll put down in the corner over here somewhere what the brush is, if there's like an actual name for the brush or if it came with a collection or in a collection. But yeah, so I think we're going to take this color right here, and then just, we're going to put that color on the lower lash line, but just in this area right here. We're going to wipe the product off of the brush, and then we're going to go in with this color right here on the rest of the lower lash line. And to blend those two out, I'm going to be going in with the first color that we started with, which is right here, on a JH40 brush. It's a little tiny pencil fluffy brush. So I'm going to go ahead and put a black liner, pencil liner, on my lower lash line, and I'm going to try to tight line. I hate doing it because it feels weird and it kind of hurts a little bit, but yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so since I messed up, I'm going to be taking this first shade in her palette, and I'll just, since it's white, I'm going to go ahead and just go like that. So using the JH30, I'm going to be blending right where the two colors meet and above it. Okay, so we are done with the eyeshadow palette. Next, yes, Mom, I'm doing this again. I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara, and I'm going to be using the new, well, it's new to me. It's somewhat new-ish to the beauty community, but it's the Maybelline Snapscara. That's what the wand looks like. This will be my second time trying it out. Not too sure how I feel about it yet, but it was $6, so that's okay. I mean, I'm still going to use it regardless, but once you try a high-end mascara that is amazing, nothing else compares to it at all. My favorite mascara, I think I said in one of my first videos, is the Marc Jacobs mascara. Nothing can beat it at all. So I kind of just ruined a lot of mascaras for me because I tried that one out and I fell in love with it. But yeah, this is the shade black. They have more than one shade of the Snapscara, but this is the shade black. long eyelashes. You can probably just not add any false lashes, but because I wear false lashes and the glue gets caught in my lashes and I'm like taking it out, I end up ripping lashes out. So my lashes used to be somewhat long while I was pregnant, and then they stopped growing on top of, well, I mean, they still grow, but they don't grow as good as they did while I was pregnant. But yeah, with the glue caught in my lashes, I would like take it out, and that's ripping out the lashes. And so now my lashes are really small again. But I'm going to go ahead and put on false lashes. I'm going to be using the Eyelure X Thalia. Hoping I said that right. The Eyelure X Thalia or Thalia. I don't know, I'm white. So I don't have much of an accent at all, except for Texan accent. Yeah. So these are in the style Lady T. I think I wore these like maybe once, and I just forgot about them. So I was like, why not try them again? That's what they look like. They're subtle, but they're still a little, like a tiny bit fluffy, and they're really pretty and natural-esque looking. So I'm going to be using the Duo brush-on adhesive with vitamins. I'm going to go ahead and blend those two together with the mascara. So you can't really see them on my camera because my camera kind of sucks. But you will be able to see them in the thumbnail. They're really pretty and natural looking, kind of, without it, you know. It's just really pretty. Okay, so now we are going to highlight the inner corner, the brow bone, and then the whole face. Not the whole face, but you know, cheek, nose, the bridge tip, and Cupid's bow. And I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in shade 13. And to do my brow bone, I'm going to be using the JH42. It's a really tiny brush. So to do the inner corner, I will be going in with the JH41, that really thin flat brush. I like using this brush for my inner corner opposed from the brush that I just used. I don't know why, I just do. So to highlight the rest of my face, I will be using the M501. You'll have seen me use this before. Okay, so the last and final thing is lips. I'm out of breath. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Daze. Looks like that. It's going to be a little bit dark, but oh well. I mean, I guess it'll somewhat-ish go with my top, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I don't think I've worn this shade other than to like try it on. So that is it for today's eye look, and I just added lips and face highlight into it. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this tutorial and it was super easy for you to do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and everything that I used on my face will be listed in the description box. I can't stop playing with my hair because it's annoying me. Before I leave, I actually won my first giveaway for JCat Beauty, and I'm supposed to be getting quite a bit of product in the mail. They said that they are shipping it out today, but I plan on doing a an unboxing video, and then after that I will probably do like a try-on of majority of the stuff, because I don't think I'm getting any like foundations or concealers, but I know I'm getting a their Aquasurance, I think it's a pressed powder. But yeah, so let me know if y'all think that I should combine those two, or if I should make them separate videos, because I feel like it'd make it really long if I did the unboxing / tutorial for a video. But yeah, so that is it for today, and I will see you guys Thursday, and like I said before, I hope you have a really good day.